Alright guys, back on the F-750 with the Cummuns, trying to, pretty much already ready. As you can see, it drained a lot of the coolant out already. So just wanted to show you, there's really nothing special about the way this thing comes out. There's nothing that you have to worry about while pulling it out. Pretty much just make sure that, just take the 4 bolts off. Once you got the bolt off, that's it guys. There it is. That's what your the other side of your actuator looks like. See that? See how it runs coolant? It's trying to cool it down, because without coolant this thing will get really hot. Don't forget, turbo gas, the turbo's right there, so exhaust gases are running through it, creating a lot of heat in the entire unit. So this is to try to cool this module down. As you know, too much heat with the electronics will kill it over time. Usually what ends up start killing it over time is coolant will start getting into the actual actuator itself, and it'll start just burning it out. Also, it'll start running really hot. Very common thing that tends to happen to these Cummuns. I'm not too sure why. Just very common thing that happens, that a lot of these actuators go out. There's actually, from what I understand, there's a small shortage in the country right now for these actuators, because there's so many people breaking down with them. Also, real quick, as you saw, this is the bolt I took off from the top. It's a much smaller bolt than this bolt. These are the bolts that go in the bottom. So there's 2 like this in the bottom and 2 like that at the top, just so you know. All right, let me get to it and I'll show you what's going on right now.